we have the chapter 2 and chapter 3. The title is Reap of Knowledge Through Lived Experiences of Rice Farmers Amidst Contemporary Technological Changes. Sa phenomenology, yung mga lived experiences, yung mga karanasan ng mga tao na pare-pareho yung kalagayan nila. Now, chapter 2, Review of Related Literature. What comes in our mind pag sinabing review of related publications, journals, theses, dissertations, we can consider yung mga government meetings, etc. Okay, magiging katulong natin itong mga related literature na to para patibagin yung pag-aaral natin. Next is synthesis of review of related literature. In other words, synthesis summary. So, pero dito makikita natin, ang synthesis kasi, shorten way, at makikita natin na talagang halos magiging katulong to ng pag-aaral mo. Okay? Next is gaps and bridge by the present study. Pag sinabing gaps and bridge, ano po yung nagpapaiba dun sa pag-aaral mo, dun sa ibang mga literatura? Commonly, ang kaibahan naman ng pag-aaral natin is yung scope. Okay? Sino yung mga pinag-aralan mo? Ano yung lugar?